Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a Mojave silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a inline 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. Inside we've got a black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of clean floor mats, all season and regular, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a natural grain gray oak wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, and the LED logo when you open the door, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. This one also does come with the smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've got paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a 10.25 high resolution screen, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, our hard keys for our media display, a wireless charging station with USB ports, cup holders, our new touchpad for our multimedia system, dynamic selects for different driving selections. This GLC has 3,346 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmannimports.com.